Today we will discuss about the Rutherford experiment, discovery of the nucleus. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the Rutherford experiment. We have a source of alpha particle, radium inside it. This is a lead cavity. This is a zinc sulfide screen. For note down the rays strike on the screen. This is a gold foil of thickness 10 raised to power minus 8 meter thick. In between this ZNS screen, this is a microscope. It can rotate on the ZNS screen for observation of or analysis of alpha rays which will strike on the screen. This is a collimator for collecting the alpha rays which will come from the radium and increase their velocity and concentrate these rays on the gold foil. So these are the parts of the Rutherford model. Now we will discuss about the working of the Rutherford experiment. What will happen? Radium will give the alpha particle ray, and some rays are scattered and some rays will go forward and some rays will scatter at higher angle, and also some ray will trace the same path of the alpha ray, and this microscope will collect the data for all the alpha rays strike on the ZNS screen and scatter alpha rays. All the data is noted down by microscope. We can observe all the data by microscope. So why these rays are scattered and some are going straight and some are scattered at higher angle, and also one of the rays can trace the same path of the striking angle. Now why this happen? Rutherford come on the conclusion that when a ray will strike on the gold foil, some will scatter, some will go straight, and also one of the ray will trace back path of the striking ray. Now the conclusion is that there will be a nucleus inside the gold foil on which when a ray or alpha particle strike, it will trace the same backward path, and the rays which will going straight are far away from this nucleus. So this is the reason for the straight path of these rays, and some of the rays are scattered because these rays are strike near the nucleus, and nucleus give repulsion to these rays, so these are scattered rays. So discovery of the nucleus is concluded by the Rutherford experiment or Rutherford model. So this is the working model of the Rutherford. Thank you.